If you don't mind, cash drawer here, what's the price? This is very good. This is automatic type of weighing machine.
Yeah.
See the camera.
Camera, yeah.
How much approximate this one cost? This
Yeah.
one beautiful, really beautiful. Today we are visiting Elanta. Elanta is the POS factory in China. We visited their office, we visited their factory as well. The speciality of this company is that they have a completely different style, different design for the POS machines as well as the kiosk machines. See this design, it's a beautiful design. And they have a different model. One more model I will show you inside. That's wonderful model. And this is all their certifications. You started in 2016?
Yeah, we set the factory in 2016,
Yes, yes.
but our boss have over 20
Years
years
experience.
experience.
But in 2016, how many employees?
At the first beginning is about 50 to 70.
50 to 70, yeah.
Yeah, but now we have over 100, and if we count
More
the peak
than.
season is 115. This is
Wow,
our product.
great.
As mentioned, that we because this is Saturday, some employees is at of the holiday.
This is all
VFD.
display.
Yeah,
VFD.
VFD. Yeah.
customer display.
Yeah, you see this is can move, so
This is moving?
yeah, moving, so it's very efficient. You know. Yeah, this is the base, yeah. Like
Base. Okay.
Yeah.
Here is a VFD.
Logo light.
Logo light.
Logo
Okay.
light. So if you want to customize your sound,
Logo here. Okay.
yeah, just open it. You know, this is mechanic.
Okay.
Mechanic.
Here we can put the logo.
Yeah. So it's very easy for you to.
It is magnetic.
Yeah, mechanic.
Magnetic.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
This is the PCBA.
Yeah, PCBA. Already test before into
Production.
the production line. Yeah, this is families, so you can check the components
RAM,
details. Yeah. This is
Memory.
memory. 这个是 yeah. Also, you see this is the cash drawer.
Cash drawer.
Cash drawer, one of the partners buy over 100
For,
units.
if you don't mind, cash drawer here, what's the price?
Price is range from 20 to 40.
$20 just starting, right?
Yeah, 20 to 40. The price, the quality is different. And you see, this is the dust-free rule. Yeah, for us to clean the LCD screen. Yeah, you see, you can have a look. Also, yeah, the humidity is
Humidity control.
Yeah, humidity control. You see, so no dust-free.
Dust free, yes.
Dust-free. So we clean the LCD screen monitor.
LCD screen monitor cleaning center.
Yeah.
Great. Here's the production line.
Yeah, production, waiting machine to test to.
This is very good. This is automatic type of weighing machine, the AI technology. Like for example, if you keep some vegetables, it will automatically detect.
AI, yeah.
AI technology.
Yeah.
This is the PCBA.
Yeah, PCB, and also there will come with a thermal printer.
Thermal printer also inbuilt in the other back side.
That's it.
There's a thermal printer. But here there is a camera option is there.
Yeah. So to as you mentioned, if there's tomato, yeah, to recognize this is tomato, and then automatically to show the price, and then to calculate the amount. Yeah.
See, this is the monitor.
yeah
LED monitors.
LED modules.
So many components, right?
Yeah.
No.
Take care. Yeah, you see this. This is not just the metal. This is because the aluminum base is different. So
Yeah, this is stand actually, right?
yeah, this standard you see. Yeah.
See the camera.
Camera. Yeah.
This is the printer.
Printer. Yeah.
Great. Here the assembly line.
Yeah, this is a finished model. You can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the camera to recognize the fruit or vegetables.
For example, I keep tomato here, it will sense that it is tomato
Yeah.
automatically.
Automatically. This is the new
How
technology.
much approximate this one cost? The machine?
I will share with you the.
No, approximate price.
你知道大概价格吗？我知道。
Around how much this one cost? Because I like this machine too much.
We will quote you up later.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you can share more information.
Yeah.
Because the price depends on the specifications.
No, for example, J900, the processor.
The
J900.
Z9
Celeron processor.
600是吧？
And
4 GB
4 GB RAM,
120.
GB hard disk.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
Maybe the price I guess is probably maybe 300 or 400, 500 because we not produce.
But it is starting from $300.
We target to the domestic market.
Okay. But here in China, it is starting price?
Different country, different region have different
price.
price.
We have some more.
This one is local market, right?
For supermarket, you see, this model is different from this one.
Yeah,
You see,
yeah.
For the supermarket, you can check the
Yeah. This is local market machine.
The logo.
Project in Southeast countries.
Yeah, it's very good. It's nice.
Some of the partners from the Malaysia. To buy-
Malaysia also?
Yeah, might be really like this and to buy over 100 units. So
Yeah.
so you see, all is
Weight is too much.
Usually for supermarket.
How much it will cost, maybe?
We will quote you after.
Okay.
Because we have some models. We
Yeah, this one.
have the accurate price.
It's good machine.
Yeah, actually, if there are three options for the specification.
Yeah.
One is 3950 and
3950.
and the option two is i3 11th generation, and the
Okay.
third option is the i5 11th generation.
Like that.
Yeah. You see, this is the burning rule. The burning rule, we tested the machines
yeah, I know.
and
Stick.
48 hours. Castrol. Yeah, this model is 3500.
Yeah. 3?
C500, C500.
C500.
Yeah, this is model.
Model number.
Yeah. Actually, we are the brand manufacturer.
But in India, it's very rare, this machine.
So you mentioned in India, there are not too much player to produce this model.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can try. Yeah.
But here there is a printer as well, there, see?
Yeah, you
The
see.
printer, thermal printer is there. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
It's optional. So if you don't want the,
Cancel it, yeah.
yeah, you can remove.
It's a great model, this is beautiful. Looks, its computer is there inside and everything is there, yeah.
Yeah.
Monitor is there. Yes, good.
Castrol is on the back. You see, we are the one station solution manufacturer for POS terminal industry.
Yeah.
From the Castrol post terminal.
This one also, see? This one for the monitor, that one now, the other one.
Yes, we have this model, but mostly for the domestic market.
Double screen, see?
This two model is for overseas market. Yeah, this is the T1 and this is X200.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But beautiful.
Yeah.
But here also some models. But this model, I really like it. It's a wonderful looks.
I really actually this model is selling like hotcakes in domestic market, and we are a brand, you know.
But in outside India, outside China, you will not find this one more, I think.
So yeah, you know the size is big, so I highly recommend to try maybe some samples, then by see, you know.
Problem, yeah.
Yeah. This is our another model T320 Plus.
Okay. This
Yeah.
one beautiful, really beautiful.